Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's tutorial is how to create this chocolate cut crease. Stay tuned. So I did my brows off camera just to save time, but I wanted to make sure to let you guys know before we get started. When I did my brows, I kept in mind to give myself some space. Since I have small eyes, doing a cut crease, you definitely want to make as much space possible so that you have more space to work with. I made sure to keep the tail kind of upward instead of bringing it down. So starting out, I'm going to take the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Almond, and I'm going to put this all over my eyelid. And then I'm going to take my little Sephora 57 ear concealer brush and just blend that out very, very lightly. I took the concealer all the way out past here so that we can get just as much color payoff around that area.
And now that that's done, I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and the same brush that I just used for to pat down that concealer and place the satin powder over top.
I just had to get me a snack. Ain't nothing like these $2 Cheetos right here. I could eat a whole bag by myself. Anyway, one more. I think I'm gonna create this whole look with the Anatasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. So I feel like I'm gonna start this look off with the shade Saturn and then build it up with Parallel, and then deepen up the crease with Obsidian, that black color there. So this orange color, this brown color, and then that black color there. Starting off, I'm gonna use that orangey shade Saturn in the palette just to create a transition. Take Parallel, place that right over top. Now I'm going to take the same brown shade and concentrate it at the crease area. Okay, now I'm going to take Obsidian, which is the black shade from this palette, and I am going to place that in the same area. Okay, so I feel pretty good about that, so I'm going to go ahead and carve out the crease. And I'm gonna try to get this right. I mean, cut creases ain't no joke, y'all. Like, they take a second to figure out. So at the end, I really am just following the structure of my natural crease, and you'll feel it when you're doing this. You will feel exactly what I'm talking about. Oh yeah! So that took a second, but I really wanted to make sure my line was nice and straight. I'm going to use this matte lipstick by Tarte. I think it's called So Me. So I'm gonna use the applicator on here. To add a little something to this look, I added the Liquid Genius High IQ Liquid Liner, and it's this golden shade, and then I just put like little dots on that line where you can see the concealer just halfway up. I'm going to finish off the rest of my face. finish this look, I cleaned up the wing, added some of that brown underneath my waterline, and placed a thin amount of liquid liner on my lash line. Well, this is all I have for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. This was my first time ever doing a cut crease, and I don't think I did such a bad job, if I may say so. But anyway, I will see you all next week in my new video. Bye!